What's up, future fighters? It is time. It is time to build this game. We are working on the Shadow AI. We have been working on the Shadow AI. You can go back to the previous video and get a quick recap of where we're going. I took notes on that video. I did my homework. I rewatched all the videos from last week and kind of put in a mental process for today, kind of what I wanted to accomplish. And these are the notes from the last video, sort of the things we left off on, and the things where kind of where we want to go. So I'll let you go back and watch those videos if you haven't seen them already to get caught up on where we are. For now, though, we're going to move to the first item. Do we flip the combo escape sequence? So we were looking at these two sets of code, these two scripts, because we stripped out some notes, and we actually noticed that these two scripts are a parallel of one another. I mean, almost to the line. You can see that it's just off by one line because it's a little bit different. And we were wondering, and because of that, we noticed like link meter reserve is a condition, and link meter reserve is a condition here. And we were wondering, should we just take everything that's here and flip it to match choose move? So the two would kind of be simpatico, and they really are. They're two sides of the same coin. Really, the script choose move is kind of choose offense, and the script combo escape sequence is choose defense. It's unique in that it comes at the end of a specific type of move, but it really, the combo escape sequence, which we went over in detail and I demonstrated in game in last week's videos, but this is our defensive posture, and it's kind of neat to see the way it's kind of it's an insight into the way I look at fighting as a whole. And I've noticed that a lot as I've conceptualized these principles in the Future Fighter, in that if I'm not being attacked, I am on offense. I'm pretty aggressive because I do not want to wait. I want to go in. I mean, there are times where I draw opponents in and use counters and different angles on shots and things like that. That's true. But in this particular case, the combo escape sequence, it comes after I've been struck. And this is the positions, center of gravities, the moves I use to get out of that situation and also profit from it as well, which I think is very important. And it's really when I go on defense. Otherwise, I really try and stay on offense, and that's kind of the way I've programmed the AI to just work like I do in real sparring has kind of come out to make me realize I always thought I was a defensive fighter, but I'm not. So it's pretty cool. So that's what we're going to get into, and we're going to do more parallels with real fighting. And if you like this kind of approach, go to docbrockgames.com and check out the alpha version of the game. You can see what features I currently have available in this version of the game. The two characters that I've motion captured from my real world sparring experiences that are in the game. Those moves in action, of course. And then put your email address in at the bottom, and I'll let you know when the game comes out. Then come back to YouTube because we got AI to make today. I'll see you then.